Today class is Python data types. First, Python have some built-in data types. I will show you. First, discuss. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types of can do different things. Python has some data types built in by default. In these categories, I will show you. First, text type, string, numeric type, into, float, complex. Sequence types, list, tuple, range, range. Next, mapping type, mapping type, dict. Next, set types, set, Trojan set. Next, Boolean type, Boolean, Boolean type. Bytes, byte array, memory. Next, none type, none type. So these are the built-in data types. I will show you with examples. This is These are the examples. First, x. This is the variable name. X is the variable name. This is the dict. Dict means dictionary. Mapping type. Mapping name with John, age with 36. This is a mapping type, data types, dict, print of X, name John, age 36. That's it. Similarly, list data type, a list of Mahi, name, 2 digit. This is int type, 2, int data type, nonny, string data type, print of X. This is totally list type. This is print of type of X, just identification purpose. Class list, print of type of X. Which type? List. This is a list. List are enclosed with square brackets.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.